It's 8 o'clock. I made my husband dinner when he got in, but I wasn't in the mood for what I made for him. So I'm making a shepherd's pie. I showed you guys this last week. It's one of my favorite things just because if you know me, you know that I don't eat leftovers, but I will eat this leftover. And of course, I'm having some banana cream pudding while I cook because I have so much of it in my fridge. First, I'm starting with my potatoes. They are boiling. Now I gotta ground the hamburger. You could totally use instant mashed potatoes when you do this, and I have done that, but it's just so much better when you use like actual potatoes and like you add your sour cream and your butter and your seasonings. It just takes a lot longer, but it's worth it in my opinion. Also, I don't think I mentioned my seasonings when I filmed this last week, but I like to do salt, pepper, garlic powder, and dill. I actually do have fresh dill. Carl just got home from the grocery store and he got this beautiful bunch of fresh dill. But for this, for some reason, I just prefer the dried. And yeah, I'm gonna give that all a mix until it's nice and cooked. And also a hot take, I just leave all the grease in there. I just pour it in the container, to bake it. I don't drain the fat off. Okay, so this is actually very, very fatty, like more so than I thought it was gonna be. So I am gonna drain a little of this off. Okay, I just drained off some of it, but I left a decent amount. Adding this into my casserole dish. Woo! And then I'm just gonna spread this out. So Carl actually did get 2 containers of the beef. So realistically, I could make more, but I'm just making a mini shepherd's pie because again, he already ate and I just kind of want this. 2 good old cans of canned corn. I know some of you guys were like, oh, like you're not adding tomato or any other like vegetable. This is how I grew up on it. This is how we like it. Just with the corn, it's honestly, I like it. I don't even know if I've ever had it with mixed vegetables, but again, this is just how my mom made it. And this is just one of my comfort foods. I'm gonna start by mashing my potatoes a little bit with my little hand masher. I'm gonna add in a whole bunch of Kerrygold. Once my butter's all mixed in, I'm gonna go in with a bunch of sour cream, like a good amount. I'm telling you, I don't know why, but we go through sour cream like crazy in this house. I have to buy it at BJ's, which is like our Costco, because we go through so much sour cream. Adding in some salt. Look how fluffy they are. Going to spread this out, and oh, I left some behind by accident. I don't know who's gonna eat that. I'm gonna let that bake for like, 30 minutes and snack on the leftover potatoes while watching Jane the You-Know-What on Netflix. If you guys have seen it before, I watched it like years ago when it first came out. And then like I kind of stopped watching it around season 2. And anyway, I got back into it. I restarted it. Don't spoil it. So I'm gonna go watch that while I wait for this to cook. 30 minutes later. Little sprinkle of salt on top. Okay, now back to Netflix.